Yes. Hello, everyone. I am Lotta Love, and today we're gonna be playing the last shift. And yes, I am wearing PJs. Why? Cause they're comfortable.
Anyways, don't worry about that, guys. But yes, welcome everyone to the last shift. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I low key had just. I'm not gonna make up any excuses. I've just been lazy. I've just been lazy. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it. That start game button. I moved out of my parents' house months ago. Stuff was going really good. I owned my own shop, moved into this cheap apartment, and had enough to get by. But then exactly 6 months ago, today, my shop got shut down by the government due to a massacre that took place. Damn. A tall man in a suit came in a mask.
You what?
Don't get mad, don't get mad. A tall man in a suit came in a mask. I can't read. A tall man in a suit came in. A mask that would stop your heart by looking at it. He took out a machete and murdered every customer in the store. Cold-blooded. He even killed my employees. I'm only alive because I was watching on the cameras from the back. The police came, but he got away before they arrived. Ever since I've been stuck in this apartment, money's been running low. I felt like my life is in a rut. 1978. Ooh. Hold up. Okay. So, this game is supposed to be like inspired off of the game company Puppet Combo. I love their games. I should play sometime. They just cost money, and I'm low-key kind of broke. So, okay. I had to double check. Okay. It's not hot. It'll like a non-drivable truck that is full of food. Ida? I think he meant to put S. Still clean. Not a speck of dust. Valentine's Day, 1978. It's close to close to becoming Valentine's Day. Comment down below if you have a Valentine's, because I know I do. To Liv. Happy Valentine's Day, Liv. I hope you have the best day ever. You're so... And we're gonna pause that right there. Hey guys, editing a lot of here. My illiterate ass couldn't read this, and zooming in and stuff now, I think I know what it says. So, you're so perfect. From your smile to your face. Oh, and how could I forget your humor? I'm so lucky to know you, and especially to live a few doors down you. Definitely is obvious who it is. I got the chocolate I know you love. And that VHS tape that you have been eyeing on from when we went to town a few weeks ago. Don't think I didn't notice. I hope you have the best day ever. From your secret admirer, Simon. Ah, Simon. Sometimes he annoys me, but he's a nice guy. Okay, so we're a girl. Okay. Alright. So we went out with this. Oh my god, that scared me. Whatever. Alright. So are we going out? Oh, finally. Huh. Actual English. Okay. Dear Liv, 12/12/1978. It has been 6 months since the unfortunate tragedy that occurred in your store, and as you know, we unfortunately had to shut your well-beloved store, according to the village's residents at the time. Oh, yo, I already figured it out. I already figured it out. Simon is the one that killed everyone. Yep. We had no choice but to close your store due to the public health and safety. We had no choice but to close your store due to the public health and safety violations, even though evidence from your camera shows that you are not involved directly or indirectly with the correct massacre, as local are now calling it. And we are sad to announce the dreadful news that we did not find the man behind the killings. Bro. But with all that being said, this letter is an announcement that after your store being ceased from opening for 6 months, that is no longer the case. Upon reading this letter, you may reopen your store. Oh! Fire! It's midnight, but I should head to open my store now. I need some money. Bang! We're in.
How would you put that? You objected so strongly to the censorship.
Damn. Thin walls. A man named John used to live here, but he died years ago. Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't like these corners. What the heck? A DJ lives here. The man here used to give me cookies, but I haven't heard from him in ages. Where's Simon's door? Bro, that picture's been falling down a lot. A new couple moved here recently. Unfortunately for them. Not a bad spot in the hall to be at. What rumors? Where does Simon live? We haven't seen where Simon lives. Is that a hole? Oh, stir. Someone needs to clean this up. Oh! Oh. I swear my heart stopped. I swear my heart stopped. What the fuck, Simon? Hey, you live? Simon, long time no see. Hey, you Simon. Yeah, get the same energy back, bro. What are you doing, Liv? No way. Yes, way. I'm so happy for you, Liv. Why, you weirdo? Yo, we're brutal. Thank you. Say, Liv, did you see who done it? Done what? The person who did the tragic, to your shop. Bro, it's Simon. It's Simon. Oh no, they never caught him. Damn it. Simon, please relax. It's just I want to get revenge for my brother. Maybe it isn't him. Maybe it is. He's the main suspect, culprit right now. Until proven innocent, he's a suspect. It's just I want to. Oh yeah. I'm so sorry, Simon. It's not your fault, Liv. Don't worry. I'm sure they'll get what they deserve. Yeah, say. How about I pay you a visit later? Yes, I would love that. Okay, I'm going to get something from my apartment first. Alright, see you later. Don't ever scare me like that again. Freaking mother. Oh no. This stamina bar is cheeks. Ah, it sucks. Need to find a way to get past this door. I should ask around at different rooms to see if they have a key or something. My favorite number? 27. Oh. The lost and found. Yo, someone's in here. Yo, someone is breathing on the other side. Oh my god, we're cooked. Why did we go in here? Why did we go in here? I knew it. Someone lock the door. Vent, vent. Oh my god, bro, you got me frick all the way up. Please, please. I don't like these corners. Please, come on, bro, please. Nah, you know what? I ain't scared. Nah. Matter of fact, I hope they come at me. I hope they lunge so I can suck them in the. My headphones out. Don't worry about it. Leave building. Bang. It is. Oh. Why does this kind of remind me of the school in Bully? Why does that remind me of it? It is very, very quiet out. Oh, I do not like this. What's up? Hey, yo! Who in here? Enter car. What? Oh, is this my car? Oh, shoot, it is. Alrighty. Wait, this gas station is very familiar. I don't have the key on me for the store. Shit. To find a way in, I'm guessing that's what it said. That was way loud for no reason. You picked up the shop key. If it's already open, I'm gonna fucking. Alright. Why is that so loud? Bang. Okay. Why would I do this at night? I'm actually so confused. Like, I gotta be so stupid, bro. Why is everything still here? Okay. Like what we got here. Website looks gone off. As well, the customers will be fine with it. Alrighty. Get ready for a jump scare. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Oh my god, there's too much happening at once. I got some candy. Say hi, Mom. If you don't mind being in the video. Yeah. How about? Alright. We came from here, right? Okay, yeah. I don't need to clock in on the other. Hey, my fault, bro. I'm looking stupid. Did I just do a 360? Alright, now I need to sweep the floors. Oh. This is very public combo inspired. There's a public combo game I played. I don't know if it's also called the night shift or the last shift or whatever, but it's exactly like this. You're basically, now that I'm done, I've got to start work. The money isn't going to pay itself, or isn't going to come itself. Whatever. It's giving me like 0.1 seconds to react. What are we doing? Somebody's actually in the shop? Yo, we have no cameras on right now. Are we actually serious? Why would we start it out like this? Oh. Sorry, sir. I'm just trying to open my candy. Just give me 1 second.
Hey, yo, who you at? Stop!
I said, hold on. Alright. Hey there. How can I help you? Can I have a lighter, please? Sure thing. There you go, sir. Enjoy your day. Okay. Alright, not bad. Just yet. Just wait, bro. But like I was saying earlier, there's a public combo game. I'll put it up on the screen if I can. It's exactly like this. Oh, Simon! Hey there, Liv. You again. Simon. Hey, how have you been? Good, since you haven't been around. Oh my god. Yo, we can be really brutal to him. Hey, that's good. I've got something to tell you, Liv. You can always talk to me. Somehow, 2 cinema tickets appeared in my pocket. And? They expire tomorrow at midnight. So... Okay, so do you want to watch the movie in the cinema tomorrow? Yes, of course I do, Simon! No. Yo, I feel like he's about to slaughter me if I don't say yes. Yay! Okay, Liv, so what time suits you? Whenever. Okay, I'll give you a call probably around 8 p.m. I'll be waiting, bye. I wonder what would happen if, I'm just trying to eat, bro. Yo, Simon just got slimed. No, Simon got slimed. It's over. I don't want to check it out. Give me 1 second. Alright, I'm ready for whatever about to come at me. I really don't want to do this. Oh, come on. Alright, you know what? Break the sword. I don't like this, bro. I don't like this. Alright, now! Who's in here? Who's out here? I heard the door close, but it's still open. Simon! Yo!